In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder pages in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to have multiple pages. I have 3 over here. As you can see, I'm currently on 1 of 3. And then you want to go ahead and click on thumbnails over here, top left. If you can see this, go to Window, hover over panels, and then here you should be able to see thumbnails. Click on it and it's going to get enabled. Now over here on the left, as you can see, there's 3 pages in here, and to reorder them, it's actually very simple. Simply go ahead and just basically drag the one that you want in between or before the one that you want to have it at. So for example, if I want this blank page in between these two, I can just click and drag, and over here it's going to show kind of this blue line, and this means it can get fit in there. So if I release over here, there we go, I've successfully reordered it, and this is now page 2, as you can see here. I could put it as page 1 as well. This is now page 1, and I could go ahead and of course do whatever you want here. Now this is now page 1, we have page 2, and then we have page 3, and of course you can reorder them that way very easily and conveniently. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.